Hey y'all, so I was thinking about doing this series where I go around websites, like you guys send me the website, or I just look around website and I offer some tips, like some mistakes or some tips that can make your website better. And then I go through it, like I point it out, like this one, this one, this one, and then I fix them all and I give you a quick redesign and free of charge. And of course, if you want me to implement it, then we talk about it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this kind of series that I can do. So for this one, we're looking at hairdresser in Madrid, and this is the first impression. It's completely empty, blank, and you need to scroll down to see the services. Um, then you have this image, which is pretty nice with the scroll. Then some prices, also fine. There's no button or anything here, it's just the pricing. Then I noticed the Instagram is not working, like this plugin is not working, it's not loading up the profile, and is the map is also not showing. Like you can click here and it takes you there, but I assume there was a map here. Then there's pictures of all of them. Okay, maybe they didn't update it for like a year, and that's why some plugins are broken. Maybe this was like a slider and it is just stopped working. So I'm gonna point out 3 things to change, to upgrade, and then I'm gonna do the redesign. So first, the first impression is non-existent. It's just blank, and yeah, that's like no good for new clients, no potential clients that land on your website and just see this empty white space without any information. So we need to fix that. Also, the Instagram is not working and the map is not loading. So I will fix those 3 things, and we can also take a look at the mobile version. We have the same issue here with the first impression is just blank. Then this typography is too big. Maybe it was done in pixels and it's too big for the screen. Also here, promotions is cut out. So we need to fix that. Instagram is still not loading and the map is also not loading. So it's the same issues as the desktop. We also need to check the sizing of these titles that are too big and probably done in pixels. Okay, so here we are on Figma. I didn't build all this. I use an importer like this to have like the basic stuff because I don't really need all this. I just need to get it done. So we're focusing on the Instagram. We need to build a header right now. This is how it looks. It looks not ideal. I would do this sticky actually, like sticky on top. Yes. So I have all this empty space to be a header, and just wanted to move it to the side a little bit. I guess I can just do this for now because I wanna add the Instagram like here. Let's look at their Instagram. So it's this one. And just open it. Okay. Let's just take a screenshot for now. 6. Okay. Maybe this is, maybe that's what's messing with me. Side, center. There you go. Okay, nice. So now this color. That's not color, it's an image. Okay. Well then. I wanted to put the same color there. We can put it black for now. Not gonna use super dark. Let's use this one. Okay, looks fine. And then I can delete this image, this one. And now I can switch it to a nice kind of white, but not really white, so it looks readable. Okay, perfect. So this looks a lot better already. I can add some padding. Let's do like 20 here, maybe 40. Go, perfect. So I can check this. Oh, that's the black they're using. Perfect. So I can use it here then. Same black they're already using. So this is already fixed. Now I just need the location. Let's take a screenshot of the location. Here. Can zoom out, zoom in a little bit. Can hide this. Take a screenshot of this. Should be fine. Moving in to here. Smaller. And place it around here. And this section is not even a section. It's fine. Put this up. There you go. And now, where's the picture? Here. Put this up. Side. Love it to be kind of like in the middle. Again, like this one. Okay. Maybe we could do a set. Yeah, let's try a set. So instead, let's do this the other way around. Now that looks better. Nice. And the padding was 40 padding. Perfect. Now go there. That's easy enough. Okay, and now let's think. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I need more padding on top. This, where is it here? Okay. Yes, I can find it. Need a bit more padding on top. Let's put 40 maybe. A little bit more. 50. Okay. Maybe it's a bit too big now. Bit less here. Okay, should be fine. Yeah, that's better. And I know there's some glass that you can do with glass somewhere, somehow. Fits. Drops glass. There you go. So glass, remove the fill. Perfect. Love it. Oh, maybe I can put 20%. That looks amazing. I love it. I love the glass effect. It's really great. Maybe I can do this a bit smaller. Smaller. This. Smaller. Oh, it sticks on the top, true. I forgot. Like, it looks stick to the top. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's the header done. I hate that how it looks here, but oh well. Maybe we can do a bit rounded. I mean, they have these buttons rounded, but these ones are not rounded. So we can add some roundness. How much is this? 4. We can do like 10 on all of them. This one, 10 should look better. See, yeah, looks better. Okay, nice. So now for the header, not the header, the hero. What are we gonna do about the hero? Let's look around on the internet. Like, I want a nice picture that doesn't look too stock. Maybe this one, that can be good. So this one. Let's do, yeah, let's do this one. Let's try. So let's do the image here. This. Let's see how it looks. I should move it on top. Here should be on top too. It's a sticky. Should be a frame. Yeah. I think it looks good. Yeah, looks good enough. Now I can move everything up a little bit. Scroll down. Scroll down. Sleep. 40 gap. Here. 40 gap. Please. Like, I just want a bit of a gap, not too much. Okay, that looks better already. I can do something like this for the main title. Can just copy this right here. Should be black. This one can make it, try 100. Even if I move it down bottom white, it's not gonna look that good, is it? I could put it in the center. Let's just put it in the center. Yep. Just put it in the center. There you go. And it's gonna be, sorry, I can't write. Where was this? Can just put, this is the area of Madrid where they are. So I just put this here. There you go. That looks 1000% better. I don't know about the header now. Like, maybe it's too thick. And I can move this here. Yeah, let's try that. I mean, this looks a lot better. I should align everything to the same line. I should do this thing, the old guide. Hi Kitty, thank you Kitty. Let's do columns. You can see, oh, 6 columns. 96, 6, 2. Okay, so now let's align everything. So more or less everything in line. I think I might change this. This. Don't know if I like it or not. why I like it. The padding seems a bit off here. Yeah, I think it's better. Yeah, it looks better. There you go. Nice. Should cut this a little bit. No. There you go. So in my humble opinion, I believe it looks better. I'm missing a button here. CJ. Okay. So we have a new homepage. There you go. It has a header and everything. So it has a header, it has a button. I think this is too big still. 1 second. Okay, now definitely. Yeah, this is the final delivery. We have a beautiful hero with a picture of a lady doing her hair. We have the title, we have a button to book the appointment, we have the 3 main services. This is fine. This is not centered. Give me a moment. This is not centered at all. Why are you not in the center? Does it look better? Yeah, it looks better. Okay, I don't know what was happening. Anyways, yeah, I'm not doing super stuff, so that's center, more or less. This is also center, more or less. Just a quick redesign. I took 30 minutes to do it. It's not perfect. It's just something. It's better than nothing, because they didn't have a header. I mean, they did have a header, but it was a bit like this logo was on top and it was quite thick. So now they have a beautiful header and it's glass. I love it. I'm sorry. I know people don't like it. I love it. They have a hero, the services, this picture, which doesn't do the scrolling thing, but it's fine. This, I don't know why it looks weird. Don't mind it. I don't know why it just looks weird. I don't know why they have more padding on the left. There's no padding here. I don't know why it looks like that. It just looks weird. So don't mind this. They have the Instagram and they have the where we are. So it looks better. It's more complete. It's a 30 minutes. I'm gonna do the series is gonna be 30 minutes redesign or fix. I should put this 2025. That's the most important thing. Update the copyright so they know you are updating your website. So yeah, this is I think I'm gonna call the series like this: 30 minutes redesign my page. And it's gonna be super quick, dirty, cheap redesign that's fixing a few things, giving it fresh air, breath of air, and a new look. Hope you guys enjoy this new series, something happening. Please leave a like, subscribe. Maybe I'll do more of this. It's my first video, so please let me know. I'm not perfect using Figma. I know I'm just doing this 30-minute quick and dirty, cheap redesign, fixing a few things. So let me know what you guys think. Bye!